Did you know you can add your house name on Google Maps in just 2 minutes? So next time anyone searches your home, they can find it easily. Let's do it step by step. First, open Google Maps. Now zoom in and go to the area where your house is located, and also you can search your location. Once you find your home, now tap on here, then tap on contribute at the bottom. Now tap on add place, and after that tap on edit map location. Now zoom in as much as possible and place the pin exactly on your house. When the pin is in the correct spot, tap on done. Now enter the details. First type your house name, keep it simple and clean. Then tap on category, choose residential. Now select closest option like housing complex or apartment complex. After that, type your full address properly, including area, city and country. Once everything looks correct, tap on save. Now Google will review your request. Sometimes it gets approved within a few hours, and sometimes it can take 1 to 3 days. After approval, your house name will appear on Google Maps. That's it. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.